This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Cabin air filter replacement. Open the passenger door, then use a trim tool to carefully pry out the passenger side insulator panel fasteners. Lower the panel, disconnect the electrical connector from the light, and remove the panel from under the dashboard. Using a trim tool, disengage the clips at the center console end cover and remove the cover. Disengage the two clips at the ends of the cover by pressing the tab inwards, then remove the cover. Remove the filter element from the housing. Install the new filter oriented correctly with the airflow arrow pointing towards the interior of the car. Install the filter cover in the proper direction, then snap the cover into place. Install the center console end panel, making sure all the fasteners lock into place. Connect the electrical connector to the light on the passenger side insulator panel, then raise the panel under the dash and push the plastic retainers into the mounting holes. Make sure the ends of the insulator panel are all properly seated to the dashboard.